get what I want, I get what I need. Every single day I'm heading off to my dream, and I get everything that I damn well please. I don't give a damn if you all listening to me, cause I run it. I'm the only one that really want it, I'm the only one that's really on it. I'm just being honest, I'm just doing everything I promise, cause I want it bad enough that I'ma make it as an artist. And I know I'm not the smartest, and I know I'm not the largest, but I promise you that I'ma be the...
Hello, and welcome back to the Team Turner YouTube channel. It's build season, and it's about time we start getting things accomplished. This is a car that I haven't really introduced to the channel yet. I've teased it on the social media a couple of times here and there, but really this is kind of the official reveal. This is a car that is extremely special to me. I have been after this car for the better part of 2 decades. It has been sitting across the street from my parents' house since I think shortly after I was out of college, maybe even before that. This car belonged to a local school teacher. Her family owned it. It sat in a garage under a cover for most of that time. I want to say I was maybe 20 years old. I don't know. I was young. I think I was about 20 years old when they got this car. That dates me a little bit, but yeah, this car I've had my eye on this car for about 15 years. It's always sitting under the cover. I could always see it just peeking out every time the garage door was open. They've driven it. I don't know. He gave me a number. It was about 2 or 3 times a year this car got driven. I've been asking about this car. I've been trying to buy it for the whole time that it's been over there, and they've always told me no. They've always said that they'll let me know when they're ready and whatever. And I got it a little bit through the grapevine about 2.5 years ago. That maybe, just maybe, they were thinking about selling it. My parents said, because their neighbors had talked to them, and sure enough, I went over and asked, and they said, you know what, we're not really feeling the stick shift anymore. We're going to go ahead and get this, let this one go to you. And they gave me a price. I couldn't argue with it. It was very fair. And I brought it home. Actually, I didn't bring it home. I brought it across the street to my parents' house, where it sat for a couple of years under a cover, because really I didn't know what to do with it. It's kind of a time capsule. All that being said, the car is home now, and I am super excited to start messing with it. So welcome to the channel, my 1993 Lexus SC300. Now I know what you're thinking. It's an SC300. What's so special about it? I mean, obviously they've got a 2JZ. They're sport coupe based on the Supra chassis. Like, there's all sorts of things that make it a cool car. But what makes this one special more than anything else is a factory 5-speed manual car. Now, anybody that knows about these, they only made a few hundred of them in a manual. They were not common. People didn't order that many of them. They didn't come in the 400, the V8 cars. Only the 2JZ. So it's already a rare gem. And on top of that, this car, it's black. It's got the gold emblem package, which was rare, kind of a high option at the time. It's got tan leather interior, which was pretty standard. Obviously, I wish it was black, but there's only so much you can ask for. But the more important thing than any of that, obviously the manual, but this car only has 66,000 original miles. So hopefully at this point you can see why I'm excited to have been able to get this thing finally. I've been chasing it forever, and I am super excited that it's finally home. Now, I know what you're thinking. Are you going to modify it? Are you going to destroy it? The answer is no, not really, but a little bit. So I'm not going to do any modifications. I'm going to start this out. Try to hold me to it. I can't even hold myself to it half the time. But no, I do not plan on doing any modifications to this car that will not be easily undone, be able to put back to stock with no other effects. So in my head, I mean, obviously we're going to do maintenance, timing belt, water pump, fix a few leaks. There's a heater valve that's stuck. I mean, there's a handful of maintenance things that we need to obviously take care of and get on top of. Car's going to get a full paint correction, ceramic coat, PPF. I want this thing to be protected. The window tint needs to get redone because it's kind of purple from back in the 90s when it was probably done originally. I'm going to get that removed and get some better tint put on it. Nothing crazy dark, but just decent, something mild. And then obviously just clean it up and super maintain that paint. It's in really good shape. Then I want to do a set of wheels. It has the factory OEM Supra wheels on it now, the Chrome Supra staggered 17-inch wheels and slick center caps. So I'm going to keep those on it for now. I think just kind of an OEM plus, kind of a just set of wheels on it. I do want to lower it a little bit. I don't know if I'm going to go with coilovers or just some springs. I'm not planning on rolling the fenders and not really planning on doing anything to the body that would be irreversible. If I happen to find 97, 98 bumpers and side skirts just to kind of bring it more modern, I might do that. But I really don't know that I will. I kind of like it just being original, clean, stock, unmolested. I'm not going to do anything that's going to be permanently, mess with the car. Wouldn't mind putting a little bit of a stereo in it. The factory stereo works, but it's just AM, FM tape and a CD changer that doesn't really work. So we'll see. We'll see. Like I said, there's going to be some modifications, nothing too major. I really don't want to destroy the value of this car. That said, I am going to drive it. I am going to enjoy the car for what it is. I'm going to put some miles on it, take it on some road trips. I mean, it's gonna see the road. I don't want it to just sit around in a garage under a cover. As much as I do appreciate the previous owners doing that, it really needs to be driven. It's a car that needs to be enjoyed for what it is, and I plan on doing that. So maybe years and years down the road, if for some reason it gets to be old and worn out and high miles and God knows what, then maybe I'll do more to it. But at this point in time, I just want to keep the value, I guess, of the car. I don't plan on ever selling it. It's not like it's an investment to me or anything like that. It's just a car that I really want to care about and take care of for a long time. So that's the plan. So stay tuned. I'm going to bring you along as I bring this thing back up to its full potential and do some fun stuff with it. So like, subscribe, follow along if you want to see this thing get brought back.